Listen, you seen that title in the thumbnail and you already know today is a good day when you see them wings, but this recipe came as a request from a viewer. He said, Wayne Kane, when you gonna do them smoked lemon pepper wings? I said, I'm gonna do them today. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Not many ingredients, but we're gonna go ahead and get to it. Back here, we have our chicken wings here. Now, you can keep them whole or you can cut them. I cut mine. We have our butter, lemon pepper seasoning here, olive oil, got a little cayenne pepper to kind of kick up the heat a little bit. You can omit that if you don't want it. Lemon juice, salt, more lemon pepper seasoning, black pepper, and right here we have a zest of 2 lemons. So that's all you need. Let's jump into it. All right, to get started, we're gonna season our wings with our olive oil. We're gonna use that as a binder. Come behind that with our salt, lemon pepper seasoning, and our cayenne pepper. And we're gonna go in with our hands and get this mixed up, get it well combined. All right, just like that. We're gonna sit this aside for about 45 minutes to an hour, let those flavors penetrate that meat. And while it's doing that, we're gonna head out to our smoker, get it prepared. So once it's done, we can add those babies to the smoker, all right? All right, so now we're at the grill. It's already preheated to 230 degrees. We're gonna start adding our chicken wings here. All right, guys, we're gonna smoke these for 1 to 2 hours. It just depends on how infused you want that smoke flavor. I'm probably gonna do mine maybe around 2 hours. But after the first hour, that's when we're gonna flip them over, all right? All right, guys, so it's been about an hour. We're gonna lift our hood up. Look at what we have. We're just gonna flip these babies over. And guys, I told you the wrong time. It's 2 to 3 hours. Not 1 hour, it's 2 to 3 hours. So after 2 hours, if you're good, you can remove them. But now you gotta let these babies cook for at least 2 hours. I mean, you can look at them now, they're nowhere near 165 degrees to start eating these, and this has been in here an hour. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let mine cook for 3 hours. So every 30 minutes, I'm gonna come back and I'm going to flip them over every 30 minutes for the next 2 hours. All right, guys, so we're about 3 hours in. Let's lift our hood. Guys, look at what we got right there. We're gonna add these to our bowl. These babies are crisp, like I like them. We don't do soft skin around here. All right, that's what we have. Let's head into our kitchen and finish up this recipe. All right, so now we're gonna start preparing our wet sauce. Now, this is optional. You guys can eat those babies just like that. They're still smoked lemon pepper wings, but we want ours wet. I like mine wet with the sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and start melting our butter. Once that butter has melted, we're gonna add our lemon pepper seasoning, our lemon juice, our black pepper, and our lemon zest. And we're going to get that mixed in. We're gonna drop that heat to low, and we're gonna let this simmer for a couple of minutes. All right, so it looks like we're good. We're gonna turn our heat off. So now let's head over to our cutting board so we can get these wings sauced up. All right, so now we have our chicken here. We're going to pour our lemon pepper sauce over our wings like this. Man, this is absolutely beautiful. Oh man, you know how some of that lemon pepper seasoning goes to the bottom. We wanna make sure we get some of that lemon pepper seasoning out of here too, man. Not just that butter. Man, that looks delicious. All right, we're gonna do a little shake it, bake it. Y'all know I ain't done that in so long, that little shake it, bake it. Oh man, take a look at that. All right guys, let's go ahead and get these babies plated up and into quality control. And guys, there you have it. Smoked lemon pepper wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. It's time for us to do a taste test. Let's go. All right, guys, it's quality control time. Let's bring these groceries to the front of the congregation. Man, look at, man, these are groceries. And I got one right in the back looking at me in my face. Look at that. Ooh, man, smoky smoke. All right, guys, give me a minute. Let me put this down. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man, baby. 1000% fire, brother. I think this is my new favorite way to eat lemon pepper wings. They are fire. Guys, definitely try this one. Listen, move this one up to your favorite recipes from AWE. So guys, until then, remember, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.